Here's a 2018 Nissan Maxima. Engineered for the driving enthusiast and inspired by a Navy fighter jet, this Maxima is the very definition of affordable performance. It is a perfect fit for someone who also needs a practical sedan for commuting and family trips. The 3.5-liter V6 engine holds 300 horses at the reins and is the right mix of efficiency and power. You'll find the interior roomy and comfortable while you stay ahead of the curve with Nissan Intelligent Key, a hands-free text messaging assistant, Nissan Connect with navigation, and an 8-inch multi-touch control color monitor. Engineered for both enthusiast and economist alike, this Maxima is ready to exhilarate. Test drive it today.
You're not just a number at Cowles Nissan. You're a family member. We work hard to make owning a new vehicle easy, fun, and affordable. We're conveniently located at 14777 Jefferson Davis Highway in Woodbridge.